There's definitely a lot of lightning now. I wish there was 1, 0, thunderstorm, give it a lightning, distance, south, 0, northwest.
Okay, coming up to my southern turn point here. It's a little exciting. There's lots of vertigo all around, but I have Buena Vista in glide, which is over there. I've got Salida in glide. I have Canyon City in glide. I do not have Boulder in glide at this point. And getting back to Boulder, that is going to be the more interesting part. All the other airports are easy to reach, but at this point I'm so 2 miles out to the turn point, 2 nautical miles, so gotta turn and then get a climb, hopefully at the front end of this cloud in the sun. That's where the lift should be. And then I'm gonna head back to Boulder, and from there I'll decide if it's worthwhile trying to go north or not. Victor 1 is just south of Hartselle, 16.7, heading back towards Boulder.
Running from front range northwest. Pretty solid.
How's the weather in Boulder?
Yeah, Victor 1 is 040 at 6 for the wind. The shadow line just moved across the field. Looks like there's getting to be some fallout with Virga and stuff along your path home.
Roger, thanks. I'm flying around some Virga here at South Park, but I should be able to make it to the sunny side here on the east.
Went north up to Cameron and it was raining up there. I wouldn't go much further than probably long, just dropping out fast. Gotcha. Yeah, I'm gonna head home, I think.
So this is Victor 1. I'm at 17,000 at Jefferson, coming up northbound, and I think I'm gonna go on the west side of the divide and see what the conditions look like towards Boulder. Otherwise, I go to Granby.
Looking pretty good on the way. I'm right over the divide at Burton Pass southbound. Just cruising along the top. It's working really well. You just go along that and then just dive in.
Okay, thanks.
From north to south, and it's raining. Last I left Long Beach.
Yeah, Evans doesn't look good from this side. Yeah, so I was just thinking through my options, but it looks better than I thought before. Because these clouds on the right look really intimidating. But conditions here are really good.
Okay, you go ahead. Yeah, about the land,
And I'm gonna go along the divide up here.
Winds
And I can probably
northeast, estimating 8 to 12. Okay, thanks.
So this line over Torreys and Grays, that looks good. And then I'm probably finding a way down to Boulder. Otherwise, left is Granby, and then further out is Kremling. So those would be alternatives. And the worst case, of course, is right below me is Heckendorf Ranch.
Victor, what's your position now?
Yeah, I'm now past Jefferson, just north of Jefferson, 17.5, heading towards Grays and Torreys.
Say again, I can't hear you.
Heading towards Grays and Torreys, 17.5.
Okay, yeah, just getting 17.5 there. Just gonna head for Burton Pass. I'm just on the west side of the Continental Divide, coming up on the wrong path. Just cruising along at 15,000 feet. Line of Berga is probably about Button Rock now.
Okay, lift is super strong here. Trying to lose a little bit of altitude before I go through these clouds here. Because I'm too high, I'm gonna get sucked into the clouds. Okay, so that's what I just did. I just pulled out the spoilers to make sure that I'm not so high that the lift, because the lift is so strong, it could suck me up into the clouds, and I don't want to put the spoilers out when I'm going 120 in an ounce. You can see how much lift there is. It's crazy. There's lightning in the distance.
Victor 1, I just got a lightning bolt about right over Sugarloaf, probably. Kind of just diverting a little north, but the winds are calm at the field right now.
Okay, I'm just going through Boulder right now. Just south of Georgetown.
Nice, yeah, 'cause I'm going to have to penetrate this line. Quite a bit of lightning.
So what are you gonna do?
Well, I'm committed now. I'm going probably about for Gold Hill, and then I'm going to cut in. But if I were you, I would probably get out of the plains earlier than later. A little more options.
Okay. Yep.
Get the birds and it's no problem.
Yeah, I can follow I-70 out.
I'm just about the Gold Lake now, and there's not quite as much burger there, and maybe not as many lightning bolts. I'll let you know when I get to the other side.
I mean, the alternative is I could keep flying, but I don't know what's better.
I'd probably land it. It's sitting over the foothills, and there's sun out in the valley out towards Walmart.
It looks super cool here.
Starting to get a little bit of hail now.
Where are you now?
Just over Gold Hill.
Okay.
At least I'm watching the bus off. There's definitely a lot of lightning on. Let's go through here. Not very turbulent, but it's really thick.
I mean, I could hang out here in the sound for a while and wait for it to pass through.
Yeah, that's gonna probably pass under the field, I think.
Yeah, so I might be better off hanging out here.
I can't hear you, it's hailing too hard.
Okay. You see, I said I might be better off hanging out here. I'm at Idaho Springs in the sun.
It goes all the way up into Wyoming, this line.
Yeah, but
Hail looks like I'm about through it.
moment. I can see clear sky towards Boulder.
Say again?
I can see clear sky towards Boulder. I mean, I see the flat irons.
Yeah, but just northwest of there, it's raining. Yeah, the wind's calm. The storm's just passing over Boulder City, and it's pretty clear to the north. I'm going to go ahead and go in and land. I'm just coming up over the hang gliding launch, so I'm going to see that.
Okay, I'll be right behind you.
Yeah, that line I went through, though, was pretty rugged. I don't know if I'd go through at Gold Hill.
No, I'm at Idaho Springs.
Okay. Yeah, it's kind of moving south-southeast, that line right now. lightning distance southwest through northwest. Parachute operations on the airport. Monitor tab for parachute operations. Avoid midfield crossover during parachuting on.
Boulder traffic, Glider Victor 1, 10 miles south, inbound for landing.
Altitude 7,400. Lightning distance southwest through northwest. Parachute operations on the airport. Monitor tab for parachute operations. Avoid midfield crossover during parachuting on. Boulder Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 222. Zulu weather wind 240 at visibility 103,100 scattered 4,500 scattered ceiling 2,000 broken temperature 26 Celsius dew point 14 altimeter 3024 remark. Density altitude 7,400. Lightning distance southwest through northwest.
Boulder traffic, Glider Victor 1, 3 miles south, inbound for landing. I will do a pattern on the, I will land on glider 26, but I will fly the pattern from the south. Okay, gear is down. Oh, this is good.
Boulder traffic is nothing 547, units holding short at 26. What's the distance on the gliding?
Boulder traffic, Glider Victor 1 crossing midfield right downwind, Glider 26 Boulder.
That's it. 47, we've been taking off from 26 for a right down departure to the northeast, Boulder.
Yeah, after departing traffic inside. Boulder traffic, Glider Victor 1 turning final to Glider 26 landing wrong Boulder.
down line 26, we're going to be